Welcome to our fun journey from year to year. Today, we are going on an exciting adventure to learn about the amazing world of animals, their ears, and their skin. Did you know animals have different kinds of ears and skin? Just like us, they hear and feel things around them. Isn't that interesting? Let's explore this more. Look at the giraffe. Have you noticed its ears? Giraffes have tall ears that help them listen for any danger while they munch on leaves. Next up, the elephant. Elephants have huge ears. They use their big ears to cool themselves down in the hot sun. Now, let's look at the lion. Lions have ears that help them hear very quietly. This way, they can sneak up on their food. Here's the panda. Pandas have round ears that are super cute. They use their ears to listen for other pandas. Look at the fox now. Foxes have sharp, pointy ears. They use these ears to hear tiny sounds, even under the snow. Here comes the deer. Deer have long, thin ears to hear any danger while they nibble on grass. Now, we have two friends here, the bear and the koala. Both have ears but very different ones. Bears have small, round ears, and koalas have fluffy, big ears. We've seen many kinds of ears on different animals. Now, let's do a fun activity. Imagine if animals had different ears. What would that look like? Let's find out. Imagine an elephant with mouse ears or a buffalo with deer ears. That would be so funny, wouldn't it? Animals with the wrong ears look so different. What about a giraffe with elephant ears or a rabbit with a giraffe's ear? That would look silly. And a mouse with dog ears or a deer with buffalo ears, even a dog with rabbit's ears. How strange but fun. Some animals have ears we can easily see, like deer, tigers, and elephants. And some animals have ears we can't see, like fish, frogs, and birds. Isn't that fascinating? Now, let's try something. Can we recognize animals just by seeing a part of their skin? Let's see if we can guess them right. Here's a hint, look at the skin patterns. Can you guess which animal is which? There's tiger, deer, zebra, and squirrel. Can you tell them apart? Animals with visible ears usually have hair on their skin. But those with small or hidden ears, like birds, have feathers instead. Interesting, right? Did you know snakes don't have ears? That's right. So, a snake has smooth, hairless skin. How cool is that? And that's our adventure from year to year. We learned so much about animals, their ears, and their skin. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all, you also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 4. Thank you.